Hello everyone, my name is Dhananjay Reddy Manne. I am part of Informatica Global Customer Support Team. In this presentation, we will be going through how to run a profile in Spark mode in data engineering integration. Moving on, today's agenda is prerequisites and configuration and demo. Moving on, first we need to create a JDBC connection for a profile warehouse database. Next, since the JDBC is not supported with Spark mode for source and targets, an internal switch takes place which converts JDBC profile warehouse connection to JDBC v2. The JDBC v2 connector requires the jar to be placed in InfraHome connector's third party Informatica JDBC v2 Spark. So it could be loaded or used at the runtime. So we need power exchange for JDBC v2 license. For example, I'm using Oracle database. So I'm copying the data direct Oracle jar to connect as third party Informatica JDBC v2 Spark and restart the DAS. Let me go to the admin console and show you how to verify the license part first. Like first you need to go to license options and in the connectors you need to have 4 exchange for JDBC v2. This you can verify using command line as well by using infocmd command. You can run this command and it will give you output whether you have the license or not. Next step is we need to have a JDBC connection for the profiling warehouse. I've already created one JDBC connection and this is my JDBC connection and I have assigned it to the DIS. As you can see, I have assigned it to the DIS, the connection, and I have also created the contents for the profile warehouse database. Now, next step is the jar part. Like we need to copy the data direct jar. Let me show you. I have already copied. Let me show you once. Info home services shared jars. Let me log into the server mission. I'm in the server mission. Now I'm in info home. Let me go to services, shared jars, third party. As you can see, there are so many jars present over here. Like for particular database, you need to use the respective jar. Now I'm using the Oracle database, so I'm using Com Informatica Data Direct, and I'm using the Oracle jar. If you are using MySQL, you need to copy the MySQL, SQL Server, PostgreSQL based upon the database which you are using. Now I'm having this jar that I need to copy into InfoHome connectors third party. I've already copied. Let me show you. This is my InfoHome connectors third party Spark third party. Okay. Inside that Informatica JDBC v2 JDBC v2 folder Spark. As you can see, I have copied the jar over here and I have performed the DIS restart as well to get the changes done. These are the prerequisites and configuration you should take care before running the profile. Now the demo. Let me log into the developer client. Yeah, let me import a object file demo. Let me take a Hive object. Let me refresh the connections. Let me just relaunch the developer client. I have relaunched the developer client. Let me import the object now. I'm using a Hive object over here. I have selected the Hive object. I have clicked on finish. Let me create a profile on top of this. We need to add the objects over here. Profile demo. Let me keep. I'm adding the object which I have imported just now. Test profile. Click on next, and you can do the options which you want, like the column selections and remaining all things. The main part is here. We need to switch to Hadoop since we want to run it in Spark mode. We need to select Spark and we need to choose the connection. Click on browse and I'm choosing the respective connection and click on finish. Once you click on finish, it will be saved, initialized, and it is running. As you can see, the profile run is finished and we can go to the results tab. As you can see, we are seeing the results. Let me show you the log to confirm it run in Spark mode. To go to monitor tabs, execution. TS. This is the demo profile and here you can see it has created a Spark application and it has run. In this way, you can run your profiles in Spark mode. These are the articles which I've referred and you can go through this guide for more details. We would like to hear from you on our social media handlers. Please give us your valuable feedback over there. Thank you all.